In this video, we will show you how to check in and check out using Workday's time clock. Click the time application from the home screen. Check-in and check-out options are located under the time clock section. You may enter weekly time using one of the options listed under the Enter Time section. You may view time off requests and balances under the View section. External links allow you to review Ohio State's policies and other resources. Click Check-in. Regular shows as the default time type. Select the menu button in the field to choose a different option if regular is not the desired time type. Options will vary based on your worker profile. If needed, add any work tags to the Details section. Click OK. Workday will confirm the check-in. Click Done. New information confirming the check-in displays under the time clock section. After your work shift is complete, simply click Checkout. Select the reason for checkout, whether it's meal or out. If needed, enter comments, click OK, and then Done. This concludes the demonstration. For additional materials and support, please visit the Administrative Resource Center.